Hello viewers, welcome to Pyresearch channel. In this video, we will going to install how to IDE the Ubuntu machine. Ubuntu machine into IDE the Arduino. So here simple commands, and my friend will be request to me install the ideally in just like a Ubuntu machine. Okay, so we are going to the exploring Ubuntu machine. You can see that I am going to the AnyDesk. Okay, so here the copy and open it. So and I am open the browser, and I hope so going to step by step. Okay, so you can see that this report, first of all I'm copy this command and here the paste, and you can put here password. Okay, after you can see the first command is going successfully, then going to the browser, download the this file. Okay, so it's very easy. It's not easy. I'm going to explain step by step, going to close up to easy. So after you update your PC, then you update the install the download the first of all Arduino ideally from wget. If you not to install wget, so just like sudo install wget already installed in wget, so do not worry about the installation part of the wget. It's Linux and Linux Mint, and just like your same pattern in the make machine, it's to be installed automatically. In Windows side, you install the wget, and after you if you not install the wget, you just click the this link and open it and showing you it will be download. Okay, I cannot need to download from the link. So after you download, you extract all files. Okay, if you want to Linux user, you use this commands. Okay, step by step, not going to anywhere, just going to step by step. Okay, we are waiting for the downloading. So you can see the downloading done, and extract part all dependency means all folder will be extract, and Arduino. I will show you here the files, and here the home, and here our Arduino files. Okay, so you can see the all files will be extract. Well, first of all, we need to I'm already installed my Arduino ideally. So in machine, okay. So I'm copying from my make machine. It's do not worry. I'm going to the same pattern. So here the copy this command. It's done, and now we use to this command. Okay, first of all we uninstall it. If you want to already install it, and you want to this Arduino, so you uninstall first of all your Arduino ideally, then you install it again. Okay, so it's done. Now you can install easily. If you are fresh, your machine is fresh to install Arduino ideally. So I am showing you how to install, and step by step explaining installation part. It's very simple and not complex to install the Arduino. So it's done. I hope so. It's working fine, and it's done option. Okay, print and done. Okay, so you also see the this application show applications, and Arduino. Here you use the here, just search the Arduino, and also you use terminal from terminal side. I will also explain you from the terminal side. It's verification part done. If you want to use from terminal, use sudo. It's necessary. It's Linux command. Okay, and you also see that done. And verification. Upload the code. New files will be created. Open file if you want to already save the file. You save this file and going to the from the document. You can see. Uh, sorry, from home. This file and Arduino ideally, and all files will be saved easily from here. Okay, so we do not need save it. So I hope you like it and support our channel for more getting information updates. We exploring more potential videos as soon as possible uh, from this side. Keep in touch.